Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to enable Do Not Disturb on Google Voice. So I'm going to walk you through two different methods at which you can use to enable Do Not Disturb on your Google Voice. So the first method that will be on your mobile app. So if you're an Android or iOS user, stick to this method. So open the Google Voice app on your phone, then tap the menu, which is the three-line icon in the top left corner, then select settings or tap on settings. So scroll down to do not disturb, then turn it on. So this stop calls and messages from ringing or notifying you whenever you have one. And if it is on mobile, if it is on website or browser, just go to voice.google.com. Then from there, sign into your accounts. Then click the gear icon, which is the settings in the top right. Then scroll down to do not disturb, then check the box to enable do not disturb, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Friends.